you open unless you open when you hear that voice inside you telling you to breathe, take a step back and hold your head up. This is how